Creatine is one of the most studied supplements in fitness, but does Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate actually help you build muscle, or is it just another powder on the shelf? Let's break it down. So Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate is a basic pure creatine powder, usually micronized, designed to boost strength, power, and lean muscle mass when paired with resistance training. Creatine monohydrate is the most researched form of creatine and is widely used by athletes and regular lifters alike. Here's why the supplement actually works for many people. Backed by science, creatine monohydrate is one of the most researched supplements for strength and muscle gain, with decades of evidence supporting its effectiveness. Improved performance. It helps your muscles regenerate ATP faster, so you can lift heavier reps and train harder overall. Increases lean mass. Many users report noticeable strength gains and muscle growth over weeks of consistent use. Affordable and simple. Nutricost's version is just creatine, no fillers or fancy extras, which makes it a budget-friendly option for serious trainees. But here's the reality check. It's not a magic powder. Creatine doesn't automatically grow muscle without proper training and diet. You still need consistent resistance workouts and enough calories and protein. Some people experience bloating or water retention early on because creatine draws water into muscle cells. Results aren't instant. Typical muscle strength and size improvements happen over weeks or months, not days. So is Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate a legit way to gain muscle? Yes, absolutely. Creatine monohydrate itself is one of the most proven supplements for strength and muscle gains when used with proper training and nutrition. Nutricost's version is a straightforward, affordable creatine powder. Just make sure you're using it consistently and pairing it with a solid workout plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.